Think your cat is lazy? Nah, they're secretly running a science lab. When your cat slow blinks at you, it's not random. That's a trust signal, basically cat speak for "I've got you." Their whiskers are like high-tech radar. They sense tiny air movements and vibrations, sometimes warning them about approaching danger before you even notice. And their purr, it's in the exact frequency range that helps heal bones and tissue. So, when your cat purrs on your lap, they might be keeping themselves healthy. Want more weird cat science you can brag about? Hit follow now, so next time your cat knocks something off the table, remember, it's not chaos. It's a furry little genius doing experiments.